Hi everybody, today we are going to be installing a tempered glass screen protector for a Samsung Galaxy S7 phone. This is a brand new phone we just got the other day, did an unboxing for, and I went ahead and ordered the tempered glass screen protector off of eBay. A lot of people have questions on these screen protectors, how they work, how they go on, how to get them off. And I think this is probably the first time we're actually going to do an installation of one. Okay, so inside the box we have our screen protector inside some protected foam padding, and then usually we have instructions and some type of wet wipe and dry wipe to clean off the phone. So let's see if that's the case. Alright, so we've got this instruction pad, we've got our wet wipe, we've got our dry pad, some more instructions apparently, and then we've got our guide stickers, which I've never ever used these. Let's go ahead and see here so that way you guys can see a little better. There we go. I've never actually used these. I don't necessarily see why they are important, so we'll probably skip using that again. Since the phone is pretty new, I have had it out of the box and been using it a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and do a quick clean on it real fast and see if we even have to do the wet wipe. If it comes straight out of the box, usually you don't, but we'll take a look at this one and just see what it looks like after we're done wiping it down. And this is, one of those special microfiber cloths that isn't going to scratch up your phone screen or anything like that. And these pretty much come with every single one. This little bitty bit is all you need. You don't need a giant one. And taking a look here, you guys can't see it, but this looks pristine. There's no scratches, no nicks, no dust. So we're going to skip doing all the wet wipe part right now. And we're just going to go ahead and do the installation. But were you to do the wet wipe, you'd pull this off, wipe it down, make sure that it's nice and clean, get everything off, let it dry out a little bit, then put this on here, wipe off the rest of it, and make sure that everything off, all the liquid residue and everything is off as well. It's pretty straightforward. There's not a lot to it, but we want to go ahead and get to the installation in a short amount of time. Okay, so inside of here we have our screen protector. This side has a sticker on it, and this is the side that's going to be the adhesive part, the part that sticks down to the glass. This part is the one right now that we're going to actually be using. And whenever you lay it down on top of your S7, you probably notice it doesn't go all the way over to the edges. Now it's even going to be worse and a little more pronounced once we stick it down, because the edges of this S7 are beveled. So whenever you put this down, there's going to be an extra white line across each edge. It's really annoying, but these new phones from Samsung, for some reason all of them do that. I believe the last one that didn't was probably like the Note 4 and the Galaxy S5 line, but now they're beveling all the edges and it's pretty annoying. So in order to install now, what we're going to do is go ahead and pull, since I put that glass on there, we're going to wipe this one more time just to be sure. And then let me inspect it before I put it back down. Actually got a little speck on there somehow, so we're going to get that off. No fingerprints, no marks, nothing else. So we should be good as far as I can tell. Okay, so let's go ahead and peel this back part off. Use the sticker to peel it off. Make sure to hold the edges of the screen protector. And then whenever you lay it down, it helps to really get in there and just make sure that you're laying it on perfectly straight. I like to do one edge. You can safely set it down and make sure that you're not actually sticking it like this, because it won't stick until you lay it flat. And when it does, you'll see when it starts to take, it's just going to melt straight across. Alright, I think that's about as centered as I can get it. hold this part right here, and then I'm going to drop it on top. Okay, so right now it's starting to stick on. You can see how it just kind of melts across. Now you've got these edges here. I'm not sure if they show up. Oh yeah, they definitely show up on the camera. So we've got these edges here that you can definitely see where the beveled edge of the phone is, and then even a little bit up here at the top. You can press down a little bit on this to make sure that it's sealed all the way, but that's probably about as good as you're going to get. So now that you guys have had a chance to see it, let me know if you got any questions, comments. I mean, that's really all there is to it, but thanks for watching.